see the shooter?
I did not see the shooter.
Oh my God, a mass shooting in Thousand Oaks, California. Thousand Oaks, California, mass shooting. Lord have mercy. Today is November the 8th, 2018. November the 8th, 2018. I am Jake, Locksmith, Services.Jacksonville, Florida. My God, another mass shooting. My God, Thursday morning. November the 8th, 2018, Thursday morning. 5 a.m. Jacksonville, Florida. I am Jake Locksmith, Services.Jacksonville, Florida. Another mass shooting, Thousand Oaks, California. Yesterday. My God, I'm praying for these people, man. It's so much fucking, it's so much evil in this world. It's so much evil in this world. I heard a crazy person say there's more good than evil in this world. Is you crazy? If it was more good in this world than evil, we wouldn't have all these problems.
Airfare Watchdog. All right, that's First Coast News at 4:30. Good Morning Jacksonville starts right now.